Hello, I'm Damien from Fine & Country and welcome to Marand. Beautifully presented, 4-bedroom detached late 18th century coach house. The property has been thoughtfully remodelled and sympathetically modernised by the current owners. Please come on in and look around. Welcome inside of Marand and its generously proportioned open plan living space. Benefiting from a modern fitted kitchen and its original flagstone flooring which dates back to 1880 and its feature fireplace with clone bread oven, this property really has the best of the old and the new. Also featuring this beautiful west-facing garden room which provides plenty of sunlight and rural views. The ground floor also features a good-sized double bedroom, a shower room and a utility space adjacent to the kitchen. Upon the first floor, there are 3 further double bedrooms and a family shower room. The principal bedroom features a good-sized ensuite shower room and provides far-reaching rural and sea views. The property sits within a level plot of a little under an acre and features a detached garage and workshop. It has a beautiful west-facing patio, south-facing gardens and lawns, and is just a 15-minute drive from the town of Bude and its amenities and beaches. And it's just 3 miles to the beach of Crackerton Haven and the North Cornish coast. Marand also features a 2-bedroom mobile home, located in a tucked-away position of the garden, perfect for overflow accommodation. Many thanks for allowing me to show you around Marand at St Genny's. If you have any questions or to arrange a viewing, please do call us in our Fine & Country office on 01288 389 848.